Okay, so my kids are 2 and 3 and I want them to be as strong as possible, but I don't want them touching my new bells. So what we're going to do is we're going to make them an outdoor gym where they can have fun, play around, pick things up and put them down. That's the whole idea. So I got in touch with my dad. He has a bunch of stones. So I got a 2 kilogram stone, a 3 kilogram stone, 5 kilogram stone and an 8 kilogram stone. Plenty for now. And what we're going to do is we're going to build them an outdoor gym. Now the reason I have to build something is because one, we have artificial grass. If they try to grab the stones with their fingers, they're going to pull on the grass and they're going to be stuck because the grass doesn't budge like normal grass does. Normal grass just rips apart. And on the other hand, we have little pebbles, and if they put their fingers on them, that's also potentially not the best. So it's just an excuse for me to get some DIYing going. So I have some supplies, I have a spot. Let's put this all together. That was hot in the sun, but you know what? I'm happy how it turned out. Apparently I did need 50 kilograms of sand. I should have known better. But yeah, the kids are gonna love it. Now, obviously, you also want your kids to hang, climb, do whatever. That is all possible here in the home gym because here we can have a bunch of climbing stuff. They can climb up here, they can climb on the back of the stairs. We also can put band pegs into the power rack, which they can use as makeshift pull-up bars. So yeah, climbing options enough. We also have pull-up bars outdoors, so don't worry about that. But now they have a place where they have their own weights and they can pick stuff up and put them down. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it quick and sweet. But yeah, we got to get those kids to lift, and we got it. And the most important thing is, when you're lifting yourself, kids want to imitate that, and giving them a chance to actually do this instead of saying, hey, get out of my way, go ahead and play a little bit further away from me. Instead of saying that, put them into a place where they can express their own and mimic you so that in the future they will get hella strong. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!